Hey guys, welcome back to my new video. This is Faiza. For those of you who don't know me, I am a fashion and lifestyle blogger. You guys can also check out my Instagram. I'm going to be linking it in the description box below. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I do a lot of videos related to fashion, lifestyle and beauty, and I love skincare, so you'll be seeing a lot of those. And if you guys want to get to know me more, I guess you guys can always drop your comments in the description box or in the video below, and I'll be doing a quick questionnaire about myself as well. So hope to be, I guess, knowing you guys as well. So again, if you guys have any questions, make sure to drop them in the comments below, and I'll be sure to check all of them out as well. In this video today, guys, I'm going to be showing you how to tie silk scarf 20 ways. It can be around your neck, it can be on your head, it can be like, I guess, on your wrist or any of the accessories as well. So if you guys want to see how I do this, please keep on watching. thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as well. If you guys have any other ideas or suggestions, you can always leave them in the comment box below. I always love hearing from you guys. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to check out my Instagram. I'm gonna be linking in the description box. Also, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I do have a lot of videos coming up as well. And yeah, thank you so much for watching, guys. See you guys next week. Take care.